Baby.
Yes, baby.
This is for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Wallet.
Shika hii.
Sasa mimi nilikuitisha yogurt unaniletea wallet.
Wallet, chukua wallet.
Hai.
Nataka uko unajispoil mwenyewe.
Najispoil mwenyewe. Hey baby, kona 5,000. Thanks.
Umeona nini ndani?
Nimeona tu 5,000.
Umeona nini ndani? Tena sema tena.
Nimeona 5,000.
Umeona 5,000?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
Nimekuappreciate sana.
That is very good.
Nakupenda.
Thank you. The thing is one, kitu ni moja sasa. Yes. That is good being positive minded. For you to get money, you have first to be positive minded. Okay?
Okay, baby.
Nimeona Mungu alinibless na mtu wa maana sana. Positive minded. Because I have you, I have to be successful because in one thing, this wallet has nothing. But tumeona 5,000, ndio? That is very brilliant, good. Positive minded. The wallet has nothing, but it has 5,000. Okay? Yes, that means that you'll have to have 5,000 a time. Okay? Yes, it is my wallet. It is not yours. It is mine. Let me go at 5,000 and then I'll bring to you. You should be positive minded for you to get whatever you want. Sure? Yes, you guys be positive minded. Like, follow, and subscribe. Comment positive vibes each and every time.
Msikose kucomment guys. Msikose, sawa? Na mali tunakosea mnatuambia, kitu yenye mnafurahia mnatuambia, tunafocus nayo.
So ulikuwa unangoja nitoke ndo useme hiyo? Huko useme tukiwa na wewe.
I'm sorry darling, I'm very sorry.
Who is the director?
Ni wewe.
Who is the director?
Hapana, director ni mimi.
Cut that thing, director.
Ai, nawapenda sana.